the Apple MacBook Pro M5, Asus ROG Strix G16 2025, Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, and Lenovo ThinkPad P14 Series Gen 6 are the most popular laptop for data science of 2026. But which is the absolute best? We are going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the performance category, which has a multiplier of 2x. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 is a powerhouse for AI and graphics tasks, showing a solid 16% improvement in multi-core performance over its predecessor and a massive leap in GPU and neural engine capabilities, making it a top choice for data science workflows that demand high parallel processing and AI acceleration. But it does fall short when running legacy x86 applications and some newer AI tools that haven't been optimized for Apple Silicon yet, earning it a 9.2 out of 10 for raw speed and future-proofing. Asus ROG Strix G16 is a beast for raw gaming and CPU-heavy workloads, delivering exceptional frame rates in demanding titles and high sustained performance with its RTX 5070 Ti and Ryzen 9 95HX3D. But its sheer power comes at the cost of battery life and a less portable design, making it a bit overkill for pure data science, unless you also need gaming or 3D rendering, giving it a 8.5 out of 10 for brute force performance. Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 is the fastest gaming laptop I've tested, with an Intel Ultra 275HX and RTX 5080 that deliver record-breaking frame rates and sustained CPU clocks. But its thermal management isn't perfect. Temperatures can spike under long loads, and it's heavy and power-hungry, which makes it less ideal for mobile data science work. So it scores 8 out of 10 for performance, mainly for those who need desktop-level power on the go. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is a lightweight productivity king, featuring an Intel Lunar Lake Ultra 7 258V and 32GB of DDR5 RAM, delivering smooth multitasking and excellent efficiency even under heavy workloads, but it can't match the raw horsepower of gaming or workstation laptops, making it best for data science tasks that prioritize portability and battery life over raw speed, earning it a 7 out of 10 for performance. Finally, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 is a compact workstation with a Ryzen AI 9HX Pro 370 and Radeon 890M, offering solid performance for data science and KD tasks, with impressive memory bandwidth and ray tracing capabilities, but its CPU isn't as fast as the Legion or Strix, and its battery life is only average, so it gets a 7.5 out of 10 for balanced performance and portability. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 stands out with the highest raw performance and future-ready AI capabilities, scoring 9.2 out of 10 thanks to its significant improvements in neural engine and graphics processing, making it the clear winner for data science workloads that require top-tier speed and parallel computing power. Next, we are going to compare them on the RAM and storage capacity category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 is a powerhouse for data science, with options for up to 32GB of unified RAM and a massive 4TB SSD, making it a beast for handling large datasets and memory-intensive applications. But the base 16GB of RAM feels a bit limiting for a pro machine in 2025, especially when compared to its price point. And the lack of user-replaceable storage means you're stuck with what you buy, so it gets a 9.2 out of 10 for RAM and storage capacity. The Asus ROG Strix G16 stands out with its two DDR5 SO-DIMM slots, supporting up to 64GB of RAM, and it comes with toolless access to both PCIe 4 and PCIe 5 storage slots, making upgrades a breeze and giving you flexibility for future-proofing. But the build quality leans a bit more toward plastic, and the SSD speeds are solid but not class-leading, so it gets a 8.5 out of 10 for RAM and storage capacity. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 offers up to 64GB of DDR5 RAM and supports two M2 slots for PCIe 5 SSDs, which is fantastic for storage expansion and blazing fast read and write speeds, but the price is steep for what you get. And the SSD performance, while excellent, doesn't quite justify the premium over competitors, so it gets a 7 out of 10 for RAM and storage capacity. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is a business-class ultrabook with up to 32GB of RAM and SSD options up to 2TB, using the latest PCIe 5 technology for high-speed transfers. But the write speeds are only average, and the chassis is less about raw power and more about portability, so it gets a 9 out of 10 for RAM and storage capacity. Finally, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 is a budget-friendly workstation with dual RAM slots allowing up to 64GB and a single M2 SSD slot supporting up to 4TB. But the SSD performance is only mid-range, and the DPC latency issues can affect real-time data workloads, so it gets a 6.5 out of 10 for RAM and storage capacity. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 scored the highest in this category with a 7 out of 10, thanks to its unmatched RAM and storage expansion options, making it the best choice if you need maximum flexibility for your data science projects. Next, we are going to compare them on the battery life category, which has a multiplier of 1.5x. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 is a true battery champion, consistently delivering over 18 hours of real-world usage in my own testing, making it perfect for long work sessions away from an outlet, though it does fall just short of its M4 predecessor by about 20 minutes. Still, its energy efficiency is unmatched among high-performance laptops, earning it 9.5 out of 10. The Asus ROG Strix G16 is a gaming beast with a surprisingly decent battery life, managing around 6.5 hours on a single charge with regular use, which is impressive for its class and a full 30% more than its closest competitors. But don't expect miracles if you're gaming or pushing the GPU. Still, its rapid charging and USB-C support make it convenient for travel, scoring 8.5 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 is a powerhouse with a massive battery, but its power management is lackluster, lasting just 4 hours and 37 minutes in our battery tests, which is the shortest among the group and far below what you'd expect from its battery capacity, making it more of a desktop replacement than a mobile workstation, so I rate it 6.5 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is a lightweight business workhorse that lasts a solid 11 hours and 28 minutes in our battery rundown tests, which is a clear improvement over previous models and more than enough for a typical workday, though heavy multitasking or higher brightness can drain it faster, so it gets 9 out of 10. Finally, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 is a compact professional laptop with battery life that averages 4 to 6 hours under mixed use, improving to about 8.5 hours in lighter scenarios, but it still lags behind ARM-based rivals and even some similarly priced competitors. And while rapid charging is a plus, its runtime isn't class-leading, so I give it 7 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 wins the battery life category with a score of 9 out of 10, offering the best balance of longevity and real-world usability for professionals who need to stay unplugged all day. Next, we are going to compare them on the display quality category, which has a multiplier of 1.5x. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 is a powerhouse for color accuracy and brightness, delivering a Liquid Retina XDR display with up to 1600 candelas per square meter peak HDR brightness, a contrast ratio close to 1,000,000 pounds and 1, and support for 1 billion colors, making it perfect for HDR content and photo editing. But the nano texture anti-glare option can introduce a minor color offset, and the display is quite glossy, which might be distracting in bright environments. 9.5 out of 10. Asus ROG Strix G16 is a gaming-focused machine with a 16-inch QHD Plus Nebula display that offers 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI P3 color gamut, Pantone validation, and Dolby Vision support, delivering vibrant and tear-free visuals ideal for both gaming and creative work, though the brightness is a bit lower at around 507 candelas per square meter, and the color temperature is slightly cooler, which may not suit all tastes. 8.7 out of 10. Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 features a stunning 16-inch OLED panel with QHD Plus resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI P3 coverage, and Dolby Vision HDR, backed by X-Rite and 2V certifications, providing exceptional color accuracy, contrast, and brightness, making it a top choice for creators and gamers. But the OLED display can be prone to burn in with static content, and the overall brightness is limited to about 509 candelas per square meter, 9.2 out of 10. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is a business-oriented laptop with a 2.8K OLED display, offering deep black levels, vibrant colors, and crisp text, with 100% sRGB and DCI P3 coverage, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 423 candelas per square meter, but the display is not as bright as some competitors, and the OLED panel is only available in the Aura edition, which is pricier, 8 out of 10. Out of Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 comes with a 14.5-inch 3K IPS display, featuring anti-glare coating, 500 candelas per square meter brightness, and 100% sRGB coverage, making it suitable for professional work and color-sensitive tasks. But the color gamut is limited compared to OLED options, and the resolution is lower, which may not impress those seeking the highest pixel density, 7.5 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 scored 9.2 out of 10 in this category, making it the winner thanks to its exceptional OLED panel, top-tier color accuracy, and high refresh rate, all while maintaining strong value for money for data science professionals who need both precision and performance. Finally, we are going to compare them on the value for money category, which has a multiplier of 3. The Apple MacBook Pro M5 is a powerhouse with its M5 chip, delivering a 25 to 30% performance boost over its predecessor, up to 24 hours of battery life, and a stunning mini LED display. But its starting price puts it out of reach for many buyers who might not need all that power for typical data science tasks, making it a less compelling value for most users, especially when compared to similarly priced Windows laptops with more flexible configurations. 8.2 out of 10. The Asus ROG Strix G16 is a well-rounded machine with a Ryzen 9955HX 3D processor and an RTX 5070 Ti GPU, offering solid performance for both gaming and productivity. And while its display is colorful and fast, it's still a gaming laptop with a design and battery life that don't quite match the portability or efficiency of business-oriented models, making it a decent value for those who want a balance of power and price, but not the best for pure data science workloads. 8.7 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 Gen 10 is a high-performance beast with a Ryzen 9 9955HX and an RTX 5070 Ti 12GB GPU, providing excellent gaming and productivity results. But its price is steep, and while the cooling system is robust, the battery life drops significantly when using the discrete GPU, making it less ideal for mobile data science work, especially when compared to more balanced business laptops. 7.9 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is an exceptional business laptop with a lightweight and sturdy build, lengthy battery life, and a stellar 2.8K OLED display. But its upgrades are very expensive, especially the OLED screen, making it a less accessible option for most buyers who don't need the absolute top specs. And while its portability and keyboard are top-notch, the price-to-performance ratio isn't as favorable as some other models in this list. 7.5 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 is a compact mobile workstation with a powerful AMD Ryzen AI 7 PRO 350 processor, 32GB RAM, and a 1TB SSD, providing robust multitasking and performance for demanding data science workloads. And its starting price is much more accessible than the other premium models, making it a standout for those who want professional-grade power without paying top dollar. And while its display isn't as sharp as the OLED options, it's a much better value for most users. 9.3 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 is the winner in this category, scoring 9.3 out of 10, because it delivers the best balance of professional power, configuration flexibility, and affordability, making it the most practical choice for data science users who need strong performance without breaking the bank. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the Apple MacBook Pro M5 stands out with its score of 85.3. After personally testing this machine, it's clear that its combination of raw performance, impressive battery life, and stunning display technology positions it at the top of the list. Its future-proof AI capabilities and cohesive design make it a true powerhouse for data science and beyond, asserting its position as the best choice for professionals seeking unrivaled quality and capability. As for the other contenders, they impressively cater to different needs and preferences. The Asus ROG Strix G16 and the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 10 both show tremendous potential for those who prioritize performance and gaming, while the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 captures hearts with its incredible battery life and portability. Meanwhile, the Lenovo ThinkPad P14's Gen 6 delivers exceptional value for money, offering a commendable balance of power and affordability. It's a diverse field where each laptop excels uniquely, and your choice will ultimately hinge on your specific needs and budget.